In a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a group of adventurous children who loved to explore the woods that bordered their homes. One sunny afternoon, as they ventured deeper into the forest, they stumbled upon a glimmering figure with shimmering wings, radiating an aura of warmth and kindness. It was an angel, watching over the forest with gentle eyes. At first, the children were startled, but their curiosity quickly overcame their fear. They cautiously approached the angel, who greeted them with a soft smile and a welcoming gesture. Intrigued and excited, the children eagerly introduced themselves and began asking questions about the angel's world. To their delight, the angel invited them to play games unlike any they had ever experienced before. They soared through the sky on the angel's ethereal wings, danced among the stars, and whispered secrets to the wind. With each passing moment, the bond between the children and the angel grew stronger, fueled by laughter, joy, and a sense of wonder. As the sun began to set, casting a golden hue over the forest, the children reluctantly bid farewell to their newfound friend, knowing that they would always carry the memory of this magical day in their hearts. With promises to meet again, they returned home, their spirits lifted and their imaginations ablaze with dreams of future adventures with their angelic companion. And in that moment, they realized that true magic lies not in the extraordinary, but in the simple act of friendship and the beauty of shared moments.